Today I had the pleasure of doing lashes on Junko, who happens to be one of our lash artists here at Artistry Lash. So the reason why I'm making this video today is because Junko is only a week away from her due date. She is very, very pregnant. So it's a perfect opportunity to chat about pregnancy and lashes. So today I just want to address some of those common questions that we receive. But before we get into the good stuff, go ahead, click that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you're always notified when we post new content. Okay, so questions are, number one, can pregnant people get lashes? The answer is absolutely, but just to make everyone feel comfortable, we want to make sure that we're doing our best to keep those glue fumes at a minimum. So when I have pregnant ladies come lay in my chair, in order to keep those glue fumes down, my number one trick is to use a sensitive glue, but Junko isn't sensitive and she's a lash artist, so she actually preferred quickie. So I didn't do that on her today, but for most of my clients, I do that. But on top of that, just to keep those fumes down, I do use our Freshie product. So Freshie is great just for lash artists in general so that they're not breathing in as many fumes, but particularly for sensitive clients and for pregnant clients, because Freshie sucks the glue fumes out of the air and keeps them in that bottle, which is amazing. And you can use it for like 120 uses before it goes bad. So it's a great product to have on hand. Second thing is we need to keep those clients so comfortable. I've had 2 kids and I know how it feels to have a baby sitting on you and laying completely flat, and it is not comfortable, especially for longer services like our lash appointments. So for those clients, I make sure that that bed, the lash bed, is as comfortable as possible. So no matter which client it is, no matter which service it is, I put a blanket underneath my lash bed and then also offer one for on top as well. And then I also use our Lost Artistry Lash pillow, and then I have these 2 pillows on hand as well. So these 2 pillows work really well for the pregnant clients because they can take them and put one on either side like Junko found comfortable today, or they can raise their legs up or just move them around as they want, and 2 I find are really, really great. But the important thing about these pillows is, well, A, you can take the covers off and wash them after every single service if you choose. But if not, you can just keep them underneath your blanket. So your blanket that's covering the pillows is actually acting as that barrier. So that way then you don't have to wash them every single service. But they do have removable covers. So if you are gonna go this route, definitely get some with removable covers so you can wash them whenever you need to, and definitely keep them covered with a blanket as well. And then of course, after every service, just throw it in the washing machine for the next use. So on the comfort topic, another nice thing for those pregnant clients is just to make sure that they're always comfortable. And as we know, holding a baby can make us have to use the washroom a lot. So it's nice to let the client know at the beginning of the service, hey, if you have to use the washroom, don't worry, just let me know. You may have to take breaks throughout the service, especially when clients are 9 months pregnant like Junko was today, that it's a really good idea for her to get up, stretch her legs, and just rearrange every now and again. So clients find that really, really nice. And it makes it a lot more manageable for them to get through services. And now, before I let you guys go, let's chat about the bed situation. So for pregnant clients, you want to kind of prop them up a little bit. I use our Lost Artistry Lash pillow under their head, but I also have an adjustable bed. And the adjustable bed is really great for those clients who are expecting, because you can raise it up and really meet their comfort needs. Now, on top of this though, you're gonna want a saddle chair or some kind of chair that does raise up and down so that you can meet the level of the bed in order to lash easily and really see what you're doing. Anyways, that's how I deal with pregnant clients. And if you have any questions about pregnancy and lashes, please go ahead and comment them below. We'll do our best to answer them. But for now, let's check out our L curl set that we did on Junko.
There's no one else. The last 2 people on earth are in this room. I take it for myself, but I can't know the words you say are true. why can't you see? It's outside for us. It's outside, baby, for us. Tell me what you want, and I will do everything you want me to do. Just show me from the front. I can't take it, my chest bulletproof. Words are from your form are going on another way, but I will have my say. Take me to my knees, I can hardly breathe. Working on the stand like you won't believe. Feel it from within, why can't you see?